fire emergency. Can I help you?
Yes, we've got a fire in our warehouse. I think one of our samples is in there.
Fires happen every day. The damage can be incalculable. No one wants to think about it, but the risks are all too real. What would happen to your critical business systems and irreplaceable assets should a fire break out? We decided to find out. Suppose this office contains your company's most critical equipment, information, technology, data, records, and files. You think you've taken reasonable precautions. You've met all local building codes. Like most companies, you've installed an automatic sprinkler system designed to release water only after a flame has grown into a substantial fire. Water provides a minimum level of protection for your essential equipment, systems, software, and the irreplaceable information your business depends on to survive and grow. But is minimum protection ever good enough? After hours, suppose an electrical malfunction that causes a spark to ignite. 1 minute and 51 seconds. The system's detector senses smoke, sets off an alarm, and charges the pipes with water. As the fire continues to grow, the temperature of the ceiling directly above it climbs slowly until it is more than 500 degrees. Equipment inside the enclosure is now completely destroyed. Still, the temperature at the nearest sprinkler head stays below what's necessary to initiate release of water. 9 minutes 46 seconds. The sprinkler bulb bursts. Water is released at a flow rate of more than 18 gallons per minute. The room fills with smoke until there is no visibility. 17 minutes. A firefighter arrives to investigate and finally puts the fire out. The automatic sprinkler system in this office worked exactly as it was designed. After the fire grew large enough, it provided the minimum protection necessary to slow the fire's growth until firefighters arrived to put it out. But the result of this minimum level of protection was an unacceptable level of damage to your business. Chances are it would have saved your building and the lives of your employees. But would it have saved your business?
In the event of a fire, the uncontrolled spreading of a fire from one part of a building to another must be prevented. Building regulations demand the segmentation of buildings into several fire compartments. Also, insurance companies want to limit the risk to one fire compartment. That's why the necessary openings in ceilings and walls have to be sealed in the event of a fire by approved systems. Country-specific fire protection classifications. In general, the sealing of large openings can be easily closed with fire protection roller shutters.
Fire doors are designed to save lives and property. They're a vital part of a building's passive fire protection system. When they're installed correctly, they protect escape routes, prevent the spread of fire, and will restrict the amount of oxygen feeding the fire. But to perform fully, correct specification, fitting, and maintenance is essential. If you take shortcuts or think you can save money by compromising or scrimping on specification, such as fitting incorrect or cheaper components, then it's time to think again. So what happens when you get it wrong? Sadly, it's only when a fire breaks out that the consequences of your actions are known. This short film was shot under test conditions Remember, fire doors are not ordinary doors. They're engineered fire safety devices. Their correct installation and maintenance is vital in preventing fire and smoke from spreading, saving property and protecting lives.